my channel. My name is Dolphin. Hope you're well and safe. In today's video we are going to make bread. I'm going to make whole wheat bread. Some people call it brown bread, others call it whole wheat bread. It's one of the same thing. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more videos, more baking recipes that I'll be posting every week. I'll try my best to be posting twice a week, but for now I'll be posting videos once a week. So subscribe if you haven't. I'm seeing our family is growing. So for now, let's get started.
So the first thing you're going to do is to add 1 tablespoon of yeast powder in a cup of milk and leave it for 5 minutes. We'll start with the dry ingredients. Add 4 cups of whole wheat flour. I'm using the X brand bread flour, but you can use any whole wheat flour that you have. Add a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of salt and mix all the dry ingredients together. So now I'm adding the milk together with the dry ingredients and then I start kneading. So now I'm applying egg wash. Just use 1 egg is enough. This allows the bread to be brown on top very well. In this video, I'm going to be using the charcoal oven. It's very efficient, especially when there's no electricity.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also follow me on my Instagram. If you try out this recipe, be sure to tag me on your photos on IG, and also comment down below if you've tried the recipe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.